Hello, welcome to our first NWR Screencast. My name is John Benson, and today we're going to talk about how to assign a reading for your class and also how to annotate that reading. So the first thing that you're going to do is log in, as I'm doing in the background, and when you reach the home page of Writer's Help, typically you'll end up searching for the thing that you want to assign. I've decided to work with thesis. That's one of the first things I usually teach in my class, and when I see the search results on the left, it's a little overwhelming. There are a lot of different categories, different documentation styles and the like, but for the purposes of this discussion, we'll just go with argument papers. Once you found a reading that you like, the first thing that you would do to assign it to the class is to add a tag. Now there are three different options. There's tag the whole section, post as assigned tag to home, and share as recommended tag with the class. We're going to go with the second option, which is the default post as assigned tag to home, and I'll explain later why. Now I want to take it a step further. Not only do I want to assign the readings, but I want to annotate it and customize it. So I'm going to go down to the Your Notes section, and currently I don't have anything, but I'd like to add a top note, and there are a couple different options, but the default public one is a pretty good one because it allows you to share notes with your students without allowing them to edit what you say. So no one's going to go in and sabotage it or anything like that. So what you write is what everybody will see, pretty much guaranteed. In addition to adding a note to your class, sometimes it's helpful to insert a document or an image if you want to, say, add a sample thesis to supplement what's going on here. Now pay careful attention to this insert menu because you want to make sure the type of thing you're adding to this note matches up. So in this case I have a document with a sample thesis, so I'm just going to browse for that on my computer just as if I were adding something to an email. The final part of this step is just to describe the document that you're adding to this note. In my case, something like sample thesis would work. They'll get the idea. You should get a pop-up that says, yes, the file successfully uploaded, and the final thing to do here is to save it. Now I could click on sample just to make sure that my document worked, but instead what I'm going to do is show you what this will look like when your students log in. So I'm going to go home, and you'll note the yellow box at the bottom that says View Assigned Pages. Back when I tagged this section as Benson Week 2 and said share this tag with the class, that's basically what that does, is creates a to-do list. So now I'm going to check, make sure that the document successfully uploaded. And it looks like it all went fine. Now just to review, I'm going to go back home, look at my tags. Benson Week 2 takes me directly to the place that I annotated. You'll see the note, you'll see the link to the sample document. So there are a number of different ways your students will be able to access this stuff that you just did. Okay, bye.